We got an email from one of our loyal subscribers a little while ago. The email was based on a blackout for 10 days. Warning issued by President Obama. So we quickly looked into this event. Basically, the story says that Obama and NASA confirmed solar flare will cause a blackout for 10 days this November from the 25th to December 5th, 2016. Now, I do remember hearing something about this last year, so we went ahead and checked on this very quickly, and we come to find out it's already spreading through the internet. Now, here is the 15-day hoax from last year. And basically, the dates were pretty close or almost the same. It stated the same thing, solar flare, 15-day blackout. The time frame was all about the same. And like I said, it's making its way through the internet very, very quickly. Within a matter of 15 minutes, one online newspaper was carrying it. Now there must be at least 10 or 15 online newspapers carrying this story. But here's something to take into consideration. There is a process of crying wolf and seeing how the public reacts to a situation, especially a situation like this. We saw it with the asteroid development back in September. But the year before, there was also a threat of an asteroid that never happened. Then the same threat on the same dates occur this September, and we have meteors coming through our atmosphere and literally, impacting Earth. No catastrophic damage, but the events were there. Could this possibly be another set of disinformation created last year leading up to events this year? The situations are identical. So, if everything proceeds as it does, The asteroid story was wrong last year, but correct this year. So, this story was wrong last year. Is it going to be right this year? Would this be the reason for Obama to create and place into action the martial law? See, folks, we have to be very careful what they're doing. I have said this over and over. We cannot rely on the information that is given to us in mainstream media. And everybody says that NASA is so transparent, which I don't believe. So we are on the forefront of an event. So keep your eyes and your ears open. And folks, listen. It does not hurt to be prepared. It doesn't hurt to be prepared for anything. Whether it's an event falling out of the sky, rising up from the ground, or coming from our own government. The spread of disinformation, misinformation is what they do best. And they will psychologically test you by creating these psychological operations, hence the PSYOP. So we've dug deep. We've uncovered this very, very quickly. But we wanted to bring it to you simply because they will cry wolf on 1 year just to see how the public reacts. And with an event like this, yeah, the public's going to react and say, hell, I'm going to be without power for 10 to 15 days. Wow, crime is going to be rampant. The government would know that, so therefore they would institute martial law immediately. This would definitely coincide with the possibilities of Planet X and Nibiru getting a little closer to us. The theories are all meshing together. Keep your eyes and your ears wide open. If you see something fishy, or that you think we should know, listen. Get me an email. Get me the information. Get it to me. Let's investigate it. and let's get it out there. Over and out.
According to a NASA report, our world will enter a period of total darkness this November. It was confirmed that this period will last for 15 days. NASA has confirmed that the Earth will experience 15 days of total darkness, which starts between November 15th and 29th, 2016. The event, according to NASA, has been waiting for this phenomenal event to happen. Astronomers from NASA have indicated that the world will remain in complete darkness starting Sunday, November 15th, 2016 at 3 a.m. and will end on Monday, November 30th, 2016 at 4:45 p.m. according to officials. The November blackout will be caused by an astronomical event between Venus and Jupiter. Charles Bolden, who was appointed to the head of NASA by President Obama, issued a 1,000-page document explaining the event at the White House. According to the report, Venus and Jupiter will engage in a close parallelism, only being separated by 1 degree. Venus will pass to the southwest of Jupiter, causing Venus to shine 10 times brighter than Jupiter. The light from Venus will heat up the gases on Jupiter, causing a reaction. The gaseous reaction will release an unprecedented amount of hydrogen into space. The hydrogen gas will make contact with Earth's Sun at approximately 2:50 a.m. The amount of hydrogen making contact with the Sun will cause a massive explosion on the Sun's surface temperature to increase to 9,000 degrees Kelvin in an instant. The Sun will then attempt to cease the explosion by emitting heat from its core. The heat will cause the Sun to dim to a bluish color. Once the Sun reaches the bluish color, it will take approximately 14 days to restore its normal surface temperature, returning its color of the red giant. While the Sun is cooling the surface, the light from the Sun will be much dimmer because it takes anywhere from 7 to 8.5 minutes depending on the Earth's rotation for light from the Sun to hit Earth. People will not know the event has happened until 2:58 a.m. on November 15th. Bolden held a conference with Obama administration to discuss further details of the blackout event. According to Bolden, we do not expect any major effects from the blackout event. The only effect this event will have on Earth is an increase of 6 to 8 degrees in temperature. The polar cap will be mostly affected by this. No one should worry much. This event will be similar to what Alaskans experience in the winter. Belieden further added, the only other effect it will have is everyone will get to have a true Black Friday after Thanksgiving. So what are your thoughts on this, and feel free to share this. Thanks for watching, as we are fan-funded by viewers like you to help us continue to spread the real and spread the most interesting news and top stories to you, and great everyday conversation starters. The link to donate is in the description box below.
Welcome to Hinduism YouTube channel. Recently, so many websites and social media, even TV channels, also spreading a rumor is the Earth will experience 15 days of darkness this November. Some even claim that the alleged news came straight from NASA. Is this true or just plain hoax? The rumors started with a pronouncement that on the month of November, the Earth will experience 15 days of apocalyptic total darkness. Some believers panicked upon hearing the rumors that cited total darkness is about to occur. The alleged blackout will occur on November 15th to November 29th. This rumor has already spread in November 2015 and has now resurfaced near the same month this year. However, experts were quick to dispel the rumor, saying the total darkness speculations are a plain hoax. Despite people claiming that this could be attributed to the parallelism of Venus and Jupiter, a natural celestial occurrence, experts refute that even although it may cause some weird and stunning celestial shows, it definitely won't be causing total darkness as rumors suggest. NASA and experts call this phenomenon conjunction of Venus and Jupiter. This happens when the two planets come very close to each other at only about 1/15 of a degree apart. This year, the conjunction happened last August 27th. Reports say that NASA will also dispel the rumors by blatantly saying that the news is false and fake. This means that there is no truth about the 15 days of darkness. However, for those still looking for something out of the ordinary this November, there are a few celestial extravaganzas to look out for. On November 14th, 53 towards meteor shower will light up the night sky. It is a minor meteor shower that will only yield about 5 to 10 meteors per hour. However, many anticipate it since it will create two separate streams of showers from asteroids 2060 G10 and Comet 2 Pink. The estimated peak date is on November. For during the first quarter moon, so stargazers can expect darker skies that are conducive for viewing meteor showers. Meanwhile, on November 16th to November 17th, Leonid's meteor shower will occur. It can yield to up to 15 shooting stars per hour during its peak. It has a cyclonic peak every 33 years, according to a trusted astronomy calendar. So instead of panicking from 15 days of total darkness rumors, people should prepare to watch various meteor showers this November instead. Thank you watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my Hinduism YouTube channel and like and comment this video.